if you don't have a scanner and you want to know how to press in your pin in your caliper for a 2016 HRV, you need a T30, you need a T45, you're gonna need a 17 millimeter and a 13 millimeter to get the caliper off. So you can't compress this because it's got an electric parking brake. So if you don't have a scanner, you gotta take this motor off. So there's a T30 here and one down here. Take those off. Once you take those two bolts out, use your T45 here. Turn it clockwise, you don't even gotta use a wrench or anything. And that'll, oops, sorry, do this with one hand. That'll allow you to use a C-clamp or whatever to push the piston up. Easy.